senior dance major at Western Kentucky University. Today I will be demonstrating how to do a ballet tendu from first position at the bar. So, tendu means to stretch. So we're going to be stretching our foot away from our body. The first thing we're going to need to do is to make sure we are in a correct ballet first position. So our feet are turned out, not parallel, but our heels are together in a turned out position. And this turnout comes from our hips. So we're going to make sure we're rotating our hips using the correct muscles and not just cranking our knees out like that. That's not good. So we're going to start in first position with one hand on the bar, and our second arm is going to be in second position. Before we actually complete the tendu, there are a few things that we need to keep in mind. First, both our standing leg and our working leg stay straight throughout the entire exercise. We never bend our knees. Secondly, we need to keep in mind that we are brushing all the way through the foot. Every part of the foot should peel off of the ground and then come back to standing with the weight on the leg. The third and final thing that we need to be thinking about is that when we're tenduing, there's no weight on the working foot. Our full weight is on our standing leg until we return to close. We're going to focus on the feet. As I said, both legs stay straight. What we're going to think about is our heel coming forward on the working leg. Both legs stay straight. The heel comes forward to come to a demi-point, to stretch all the way through the foot, to come back through a demi-point with the toes leading back, and close with the full weight to return onto the foot. Tendus can also be completed to the side and to the back. The technique for these tendus are the same, except for what we think about leading. So when we're doing a tendu to the back, we're going to think about our pinky toe leading to keep that turnout and our heel leading back in, which is the opposite of what we were thinking about with our front tendu. To the side, we just have to think about maintaining that turnout from the hips and keeping that heel rotating forward. But the same concept applies with working through the full articulation of the foot on both the tendus to the side and the back as well. The purpose of the tendu is to warm up our feet at the bar and get them ready for jumps and other exercises that we will complete in the center. This is why it's very important to think about working through the full foot and full articulation of the foot to stretch it, and then as it returns back in, working through that full articulation of the foot again. This is what it looks like in one motion. And that is how you do a tendu from first in ballet at the bar. Thank you for watching.